Hi everyone, in this video I'll be showing you the ways to deposit and withdraw on Trust Wallet app. In order to deposit and withdraw on Trust Wallet app, what you have to do is first of all going to log in into your Trust Wallet account. So there are different ways of depositing on Trust Wallet. So first of all, you could do a bank deposit or you could do wallet to wallet transfer and do the deposit method, and likewise the withdrawal method is also similar. That is, you could do it on multiple platforms such as bank account. And what you can do is you could just go ahead and explore the features from right on this page, and then you could also go to discover tab. When you are on this page, you could go ahead and select the deposit method, then you could go ahead and select the asset that you wish to deposit, and you could do then you could do wallet to wallet transfer, or you could do a bank transfer. And similarly, as per the withdrawal method, you could go to the send button, and from here you could go ahead and select the platform where you actually want to withdraw the cryptos or an asset on Trust Wallet. So that is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.